Alright, this is Spencer at Langston's Alternative Power. We're trying out a little DIY 3500 48 volt inverter. It's an all-in-one unit. And we're running hydropower into the PV here at about 120, 30 volts. It's a big glare on there. And we're putting out about 350 watts. It's doing pretty good. So it works pretty good with hydro. It works good with solar. So let's see what kind of power we can get out of it with both of them. Actually, right now we're running a load here. We're running that air conditioner. And it didn't even flinch with it as far as the power. Let's see. Sorry, it's so blurry. This is the AC, 60 hertz, about 9 amps. We're drawing 1,000, about 1150 on the power that's taken to run the air conditioner. And let's get back to the TV. Past it. PV in. I don't think that was right. There's PV. Okay, 350 watts. That's what we're doing right now. So let's try it with the solar. So now we got about 800 watts worth of solar, and it's not completely sunny at 1,000 watts. So 350 plus the rest of it solar, and they're both running in through just one little MPPT, which actually works better than the grow watt. I just got through doing a video on the grow watt, and maybe it would be better if we did it at a higher voltage. It didn't seem to like the hydro on the grow watt. This one seems to have no problem whatsoever. Combining both of them, get it to focus. Right at 1,000 watts. I was going to say 1,000 watts. That's between 800 watts with the solar panels. Well, let's just see how much the panels are putting out. Now, I'll take the hydro off. And the solar is putting out about 500 to 600 watts. Of course, a cloud had to come over. Alright, I'm going to go back, hook it up just to the hydro and bump up the water pressure a little bit. Okay, I got the hydro plugged back up. I'm going to let it start loading it down. It takes it a few minutes after you cut the PV power coming in, or whatever DC power you have coming in. I think I need to make sure I got it spinning fast enough to get the voltage up. Let's try that and see. Okay, we bumped up the water pressure by about 5 pounds. I think we're running at about 28 to 30, putting out 480 watts. This by far is the best MPPT on the hydro. It works. It's working really good. That's just hydro. We're going to do some more tests and let this run for a good while. But right now, you can run solar and hydro in on one MPPT. I have to do some longer testing, but the hydro is working great on it, which solar works good, really good separately too. So y'all have a good one. Take care.